Hi, sociologists. How are you today? Just checking in as I do, and I am excited to get ready for the last module of the semester in terms of content. Um, you're wrapping up this idea of family and looking at it through different theoretical lenses, right? So how would the two macro theories look at it versus symbolic? And having that kind of discussion with yourself and your classmates. Um, the last section is social movements and social change. So for those of us in sociology that do this as a career, many of us do it with an eye for change. And so this is a really important chapter because part of the reason I'm a sociologist is because I think the world needs some more change. And sociology gives me the tools to kind of understand social change and how to bring it about. And so, obviously not that it's done because we still have a lot of work to do, but it helps with kind of an understanding of organizing and being an activist and those sorts of things. And so this is a really particularly special chapter to me. So you'll be thinking about that this week. You'll also be thinking about picking a chapter from the final going forward. No, excuse me, from the midterm going forward to discuss which one is your favorite. So both of these modules are open for you this week, as you can see. They'll open tonight at midnight, I think. Let's see, when does that open? Or maybe it already opened, I'm not sure. But in any case, you've got it. And so you can access both of these topics, and then the next week we'll move into where the final is, and I'll give you the final. So you've done it. Congratulations. We're really, really close. But for this week, focus on social movement, social change, and collective behavior, and kind of think about what that looks like and why it's an important part of humanity. And even maybe just for yourself, imagine if tomorrow all of the people that worked towards social change stopped and we just stayed the way we are forever, what that would look like and what would be problematic about that. So yeah, that's it. Have a good week. Congratulations on getting this far. We're almost there. Hang in there. Keep up the good work. You guys are doing really great work, and I'm really excited to be working with you this semester. Take care.